Hello, I'm John Regina, here to demonstrate the features and safe operation of our 2-basket deep fryer. You'll need an adjustable wrench, a multi-purpose lighter or hand torch, some soapy water solution, and a 40-pound or better DOT-approved propane cylinder. Make sure to position the fryer on a level surface with adequate ventilation and airflow away from combustible materials. Position the propane cylinder 10 feet from the fryer on a level surface away from all structures and foot traffic. Hand screw the regulator connector into the gas valve, then tighten with an adjustable wrench. Open the gas valve of the propane cylinder by slowly turning the hand wheel counterclockwise. Perform a gas leak test by spraying the soapy water solution on the gas valve, regulator connector, and at the fryer connection. If bubbles form, shut the cylinder valve by turning the hand wheel clockwise. Disconnect the regulator, inspect the gasket inside the cylinder valve for debris, then try reconnecting the regulator. Open the fryer door to access controls. Make sure the drain valve is closed and the thermostat is set to the off position. Prior to lighting the pilot, completely submerge the burner tubes with either water or oil to prevent unit from overheating. Turn the unitrol valve knob to the pilot position. Press in the knob and hold for approximately 1 minute to purge air from the line. Hold the flame to the pilot light area while continuing to press in the knob. Once lit, continue to hold in the knob for approximately 60 seconds. With the pilot lit, turn the unitrol valve knob counterclockwise to the on position. If water was used for setup, make sure to drain prior to adding cooking oil. Fill the fryer with oil to the oil level line marked in the back of the fryer tank. Set the thermostat control knob to the desired setting. This ignites the main burner. The fryer oil will be up to temp in 20 to 30 minutes and ready to cook.